Hey everybody, Anthony with Team Manzon here, and I am proud to present our newest listing here at 1424 Capistrano Avenue here in Spring Valley. Here to help me present this listing is a very special friend of mine and a guest of the show. Everyone, please welcome Waldo! Hey Anthony, thanks so much for having me today. When Anthony told me about this property he's selling with the amazing views, I knew I had to be a part of it. Waldo, tell them about your special offer. Yes, for one lucky viewer, you have the chance to win $250. Here's how you do it. On this original post, I want you to comment below how many times you see me throughout this real estate listing video. And number two, you need to predict what price this house will sell for at the close of escrow. Sometimes Waldo will be very easy to spot, and sometimes he may be really hard to find, super small. Here are the rules. Number one, on this original post, I want you to watch the video and count how many times you see Waldo throughout the video. Comment below how many times you see him. Number two, you have to accurately predict what this house will sell for at the close of escrow. After you've done those two things, share this video to all your friends and family, and that's how you enter. Good luck! All right, we are here in the family room, and this is one of my favorite rooms in the entire house. It has ceiling fans, recessed lighting, dual pane windows for energy efficient savings, open concept, so many things to love about this room. Another feature I love about this house is the amazing fireplace area that you have here in the family room. It's great for entertaining, you can hang your TV up top, keep you nice and cozy in those super cold nights. All right, we are here in the kitchen, and if you love to cook, this is the kitchen for you. We have ample amount of countertop space, cabinet space, stainless steel appliances, and my favorite feature about this entire kitchen is you have an unobstructed view of the Sweetwater Reservoir. We are at the very top of the cul-de-sac, no one in our way. We got an amazing view while we wash the dishes while we're cooking the meal for your favorite family members. In the master bedroom, where my favorite features include ceiling fans, recessed lighting, double doors for your closet. Check out this queen size bed behind me. It's large, it's massive, and you still have room on both sides of the bed. Also too, from in the master, you have your double sliding door that opens up straight out to your deck with amazing limitless views. You also have so many areas in the house that you can sit in. And after a long day at work, enjoy a nice warm bubble bath. We're here on the deck on the master bedroom, which you have, as you can see behind me, expansive, unobstructed views of the Sweetwater Reservoir. My favorite part of this entire house. And of course, we're here in this huge, this massive, expansive garage. Not only can you park 2 cars here, you got extra room for storage. Oh yeah.